Installing software for developing microservice architecture. You must install by yourself. This will be a test for you, which will show whether you are ready to learn this material. This is an accelerated course. Therefore, you should have experience and understanding of basic things in programming and web development. We will not consider all the things that I will give. You will be learning a lot of code on your own as homework. Installing the software is a good test to see if you're ready to take this course and get the architecture up and running. It is important for me that everyone understands what I will provide, so that you fully understand the main idea and be able to develop distributed systems on your own. I hope everything works out for you. I will be using Postman to simulate the client. You can use other software if you wish. You can choose any editor you like. I will be using PHP Storm. You can isolate a free one, for example, Visual Studio. Don't forget that this is an express course and we have to move very fast. Let's check that all our programs are installed and we will be sure that we are ready to go. Open a terminal and enter the following commands and make sure everything is in order. If you, like me, are shown the version of our software, then everything is fine and see you in the next videos.